to another totally legal cooking tutorial. Tonight we're making pizza with some alternative fuel sources. And here's where the magic happens. Nothing says authentic wood-fired flavor quite like military-grade pyrotechnics.
Oh, perfect! Now the flying surveillance squad wants to play food critic.
You know what? I'm starting to think these drones have some serious commitment issues with my content.
This is fine. Everything's totally under control here. Just a normal Tuesday night pizza review turned military strike.
Well, there goes my security deposit and probably my eyebrows. So that happened. I'm starting to think these drones have some unresolved issues with Italian cuisine.
Thanks for watching another episode of Midnight Munchies. Next week we're doing flambéed desserts, assuming I can find a location that doesn't have a restraining order against pyrotechnics.